Now let us discuss some key features of tool registries. Key features of tool registries. So the first very important feature is the dynamic tool loading. So the meaning of dynamic tool loading is that you can add or update a tool in the tool registry without restarting the agent. That is what dynamic tool loading is. It means if the agentic system is live, if the agentic AI system is live, still you can, in the runtime, you can add or update tools. There is no need to restart the agent. So you can add or update tools without restarting the agent. And that is what is dynamic tool loading is. The agent checks in and sees new tools immediately. The agent will get to know because the tool will be added in the tool registry, and update also you will be doing the tool registry. So agent will check in and see the new tools immediately. So that is what dynamic tool loading is. Now the second key feature of tool registries, if we talk about capability tagging. So this is something very interesting. So we already know that for every tool we should have a description like what that tool can do. Along with the description, we can have one more parameter, that is the capability. Capability is like we are grouping the tools based on the capability, like what it can do. So capability tagging means we can organize the tools by some specific tags. For example, read only tool, admin only CRM. And with this capability tagging, it allows for role-based access control. Role-based access control. So an interns agent might not see the delete database tool. So this is something very, very important because see, the idea is that we can have hundreds of tools in the tool registries, but we don't want that all of the agents get access to all of the tools. Let us suppose we have an intern agent, and intern agent, we don't want it to delete the database. So with the capability tagging, like some critical tools, we can assign a tag called admin only. And because of this role based access control, interns agent will never be able to see or access those tools which only have got admin privileges. So interns agent won't see delete database due to the missing tag. So this is what capability tagging is. So with capability tagging, we can enable role based access control wherein we can have lots of very sensitive tools as well, which we want a particular role to access. And we can easily specify it a tag, and only that role can access those tools. Not everyone can access those tools. So that is what is capability tagging is. Now we are discussing the key features of tool registries. So one more very important key feature is the search and filtering. Search and filtering. So high speed indexing that allows the system to filter tools based on latency, cost, or specific parameters. So basically, tool registries, they also enable high speed indexing, because of which like search and filtering can be done. So high speed indexing for filtering based on latency, cost, or specific parameters. So agentic AI systems can filter tools. Agentic AI systems, especially the large language model, it can filter the tools based on latency, cost, or specific parameters because of the high speed indexing of the tool registries. So tool registries, they support search and filtering wherein the agent system, the LLM, it can filter tools based on latency, cost, or specific parameters. So that is what search and filtering is.